So this morning I woke up and I forgot about everything we were doing today. I'm like, today I'm going to stay home and do lessons. No, this morning we're going to do a really fun cooking class.
So cooking class, like Cambodian food, we pretty much are for sure it's going to be very similar to Thai, unless we are fully mistaken. So this is going to be a first for us because we don't really know what to expect. So I don't think they make mango sticky rice.
No.
No, they don't.
No.
You shall see. We are Growing Up Without Borders, a family of 5 traveling around the world. It all started with an innocent 5-week trip to Europe back in 2013 and now has led us to so many countries around the world. Join us today as we discover one of the authentic things we love to do in each country, and that is learning how to cook the local food. Chloe, you're holding on to the suitcase with dear life, making sure it doesn't fall off. Oh, here we go. Shinta Mani anchor. Thank you. Was it really? Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon, I guess.
Good afternoon.
This is our room. Come. So it is right beside the pool, as you can see. Turn around. It's just right there.
Beautiful pool view.
There's a back door and a front door. And it's perfect because it's got 3 beds for us girls. And now I'll show you the bathroom too.
Can we discover what's in here? What's in here?
I don't know. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, there's even a
coffee and tea.
And then I think this is the fridge. Let's see. Oh,
yeah.
And beverages, of course.
Nice. Wow. And then
some nice fruit.
That's nice. And look at this is the beautiful flowers the ladies were making. Oh, and I think they put maybe hot water here. Does it smell pretty?
Oh yeah, it does.
Nice.
And then if you come over here, this is the lovely shower. And what's smart is they use reusable hand soaps for the shower, so that way you're not using so much plastic.
Very nice. And this is our beautiful room. We also have a pool facing room, so when you walk out in the morning, this is our view. Where are we off to, girls? Food. So we decided on Greek food. So good.
So what's so nice is that they're eco-friendly. So in each room you get some water bottles, and once you're done, you come here and you replace it.
Now we're going for a swim.
Well, good morning from another beautiful sunshiny day here in Cambodia. I'm literally walking out from my room to breakfast. It's just so nice. Breakfast at Shinta Mani was absolutely amazing. They had a huge variety of different types of food, from different meats and cheeses, all the different types of pastries you can possibly think of and imagine. So it's just absolutely amazing. So we're going by tuk-tuk this morning, and the very first stop is to do 2 big loads of laundry, including Tyler's backpack, which is still dirty from the tour we did. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're going to the cooking class for 10 a.m.
Lots of laundry to do.
I'm so curious to know how much laundry do we have. Whoa, so in total we have 9.5 kilos of laundry. We're at a place called Mom's Laundry, and basically you can do an express laundry and have it all ready in 3 hours because they have washers and dryers. We're doing the overnight because the t-shirts will get shrunk, so they're gonna hang them up for us. So we found it. They switched locations. They used to be on Pub Street, but here they are. It's Khmer cooking class, and basically this is going to be a really fun experience cooking authentic Cambodian food. So you start by choosing what menu options you want. You want to try the spring roll? So you choose a starter and then an option. Going to the local market. Look at all the types of rice here. You've got the sticky rice, the jasmine rice, red jasmine rice, black sticky rice, rongdul rice, brown rice. So the lady who's taking us on a tour, she explained there's like a booth back there, and all the staff from all these restaurants here around Pub Street, that's where they go to eat. So the owners pay them, and basically they go, and it's only $1 for the food. They go and eat, and they get a really good meal. So I asked her if like the general public eats there. She says not really, but I was curious to see if anyone could just go and buy a meal there. So this is where it is, right where you see all these beautiful umbrellas. This is where you go in. Hey friends? And you even get these beautiful hats to put on.
Then we will slide the blossom to put in, so the color of the blossom is not going to brown. Okay, so now we go in with the fried spring roll. We will have onion, carrot, and we slice that up for your salad.
Okay.
Yeah. This is big.
Too big. Okay.
Or you make videos and post, like, you know, what you have to, are you influencers?
Yeah, you're stirring until the vegetable is cooked together. Yeah. And you roll. After you stop,
Okay.
you fold other side like this.
Can make another one, right?
Yeah. So we need to stirring the paste until that aromatic or nice smell. Yeah. When the paste is going nice smell like this, if you cooking with the meat, you need to add the meat in.
Oh, it's looking good, looking good. We all are just so excited to now try it. This is seriously such a cool experience for us.
I think it needs a little bit more salt, no?
I don't know.
How's it, Chloe?
Yeah, I just turned it off. It tastes really good.
Can I have it?
Yeah, she's
Okay, you
gonna.
can taste your curry.
Yeah,
Everyone.
it's good.
You taste already?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
And we
Are
just-
you happy the taste?
Yes. Okay, this is the finished product. How is it, girls?
Really, really good.
Is it really good? How is it, Angelique? Did a good job? Okay, here we go. This is the spring roll we made.
Yeah, it was reviews executive.
It's really good. Success. We all get a nice certificate for Angelique. Very nice. Yeah.
Chloe.
For you.
Thank
you so much. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Enjoy your
Put it in an
lunch.
envelope. Put it in nice. That's really nice what they do. So yeah, we just did a haircut. A haircut here in Cambodia costs you $5.
Nicely trimmed.
That's what you get. And all freshened up. I'm a little bit concerned though because they used a flat iron like big time in my hair, and my hair breaks so easily, so hopefully. When we got back, we decided to go on a tour of the Shinta Mani property. They actually have several properties here in Cambodia, and they're all quite unique and very different. Here in Siem Reap, they even have all these high-end luxury villas that come with butlers and private pools. They also have another property on the other side of the road that has all these beautiful rooms with art all around. It's absolutely gorgeous. The design of the rooms and the buildings absolutely blend and kind of mix in with the nature and the whole feel of Siem Reap. It's like being in the middle of the jungle and the nature right in the heart of the city, and a totally exclusive experience if that's what you're after. Thanks so much for watching our tour here in Siem Reap. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. It's going to be a full-on tour of Angkor Wat and you won't want to miss it. See you there.